So I'm making this video just to test the microphone quality. I have been adjusting the settings a little bit just to try and get it right. So it's not going to be a very long video. It's just primarily going to be just for checking the sound's okay. So this is Bleach Brave Souls. I don't mind it, it's okay. It's okay to play like every now and then, but it's not something I could commit to. I think the main reason I like it is because of GG. Oh, we're on to the next stage. I think we are. We'll do this one. I'm just gonna skip the cutscene. Oh, that was just a cutscene one. Well, that's not very fun, is it? So, hopefully this is an actual... There we go, this is a proper one, an actual quest, so I'll do this one. And then, I'll stop, check the audio, upload it and see if it's okay. Because I've done quite a few videos at the moment and the audio's either been too quiet or too loud and kind of need to get that balance right. But yeah, this game is quite straightforward really. You just go through the stages and kill the enemies and then there'll be a boss at the end. See, Gigi is so good, she just kills everything so easily. This is why she's the best character. Here we go, see, this is the boss. There we go. See, that was so fast because you have someone helping you, so it goes a lot quicker. So I will do another one actually. I'll do another level. Why not? Why not? This is actually a mobile game, but you can play it on the PS4, PS5, but the only thing is you can't actually move your data from the PS4 or 5. You can't move it to the mobile or PC. It's like you have two separate accounts, which kind of sucks. Because I paid so much money to get GG, like £300 I'd say, in spirit orbs, and just kept doing draws to try and get GG. I was so happy when I got there. I don't really particularly like this game. It's okay, like I said. It's mostly just for GG. See? Can't touch GG. No one can touch GG. So perfect. This guy will probably just kill the boss in one hit. Oh, where is he? There he is. Oh. There we go. So I think it's getting harder now. We're going through the levels bit by bit. So I'm going to end it. Okay, I just wanted to do the 100 enemies, to be honest. No, not sending any friend requests. So I'm going to end the video now. So thank you for watching.